Even though I made a puppet, very nice puppet. But at night it's keeping moving and just keeping look at it and it's moving with the wind. And I was pretty scared. So I put the puppet away from my face.
Oh, I see. The puppet, you made a puppet, huh?
Puppet and a robot.
Oh, I think you mentioned that before. In school.
Then, well, the teacher said you go home and make a puppet and a robot. So we do it. But when I bring the robot, it's ruined. His leg, his ear, it's no stick in the body anymore. It's just unstick them.
I see.
So I need to glue to work down thing, but it doesn't working. I stayed at in my class very long until it's homework. So it's not sticking on my friend is saying, well, it's so cool, the rebel so cool. I was so mad at them, they just keep want to touch them, doing them. They just like the robot, but the robot is not ready yet.
I see.